Hello. Didn't see you there. That's part of the script. I knew you were there. Hi, my name is Will, and welcome to my 3-part tutorial on how to make music, how to make money doing music, and how to become famous. Not necessarily in that order. How to make money doing music. To be honest, for most people, you need a day job. So, only make music after 5 p.m. And now, how to make music. Let's go over making a super cool original beat. Alright, so let's make a cool beat. So we'll put some simple steps on the 1 and the 3. Oops. And the 2 and the 4. Some hi-hats. Then we'll make this an 8-bar. So then we'll add some emphasis on the kick. Right there. Cool. Maybe add some claps at the end. That's a cool beat. Now that we have a super cool drum beat, let's do a super cool bass line. Cool. And to finish it off, let's put some cool retro synth on it. Cool. All right, now that we've normalized everything, let's see what it sounds like. Okay, so it wasn't an original idea. That is Blinding Lights by The Weeknd. Now, part 3, how to become famous. Grab your unenthusiastic spouse and try to do some viral dancing. Well, there you have it. That's my 3-in-1 how to make music and make money and become famous. My name is Will, and thanks for hanging out.